Hi, in this video we are going to see a very good news as well as the golden opportunity to the postgraduates and all the PG candidates who are looking for the PhD admission notification. So I think it will be the one-stop solution. Okay, why? Because here the total 946 PhD vacant seats are there among the 100 plus subjects, and this entrance test examination is going to happen in all over the India, and this test is conducting by the National Testing Agency. Fine. So here the fellowship schemes are also there and the online registration started. So all the interested candidates open the NTA website and all the links I kept in the description box of this video and start filling up of the form and then submit the online application as early as possible. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. Okay, it will be very much helpful to them. And to get the regular updates regarding this examination and to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is the official website of the National Testing Agency regarding the registration of Jawaharlal Nehru University Entrance Examination JNUEE 2021, and here you may check down the information bulletin is there and the public notice opening the online application form and the frequently asked questions are there. So here the JNUEE 2021, the online registration form. So click on this one and then you will be directed to the online registration form guys. Okay, so you have to fill up the personal details, qualification details, documents uploading, and then the payment you have to do. So if you are the new registration, then click on this new registration. So you have to fill up the few details and then you are provided with the username as well as the password. And if you are already if you already registered, then you can click on the sign in. Okay, and then whatever the login credentials are there, with those credentials you can enter into the website and then start filling up of the online application form. Okay, so here coming to the information bulletin of this one. Okay, so just click on this one and then it will be directed to the information bulletin, so where it clearly mentions the details. Okay, what is the starting date and what is the closing date, all these things we can check down here. So it is a login window. As I already told you that if you once registered, then you will be provided with the application number as well as the password. Okay, so with both these two, that means application number you have to keep with you until the end of this process. Okay, so application number as well as the password. Okay, so with both these two you have to enter into this one. And coming to the information bulletin of this JNUEE 2021, along with that one, here we are also going to see the e-prospectus of this JNU University, right? Fine. So both these two, see, you may check down, it is a brochure. So total 130 pages are there. Fine. And I will show you the important dates first, and then we will go into the remaining details clearly with respect to the e-prospectus of JNUEE or else Jawaharlal Nehru University. So coming to the important dates, here you may check down. Online submission of application form 27th July to 27th August 2021. That means the registration started from yesterday itself, and the last date of successful transaction of fee through the credit or debit or net banking or UPI 27th August 2021. Okay, and here the registration fee also you may check down. So fee payable by candidate in INR. Okay, PhD, MTech, MPH, MA, MSc, MCA, PhD. Okay, and foreign nationals also mentioned. And correction and particulars of application form on a website only. So correction and particulars of application form on a website only 1st September to 3rd September. Downloading of admit cards from NTA website 8th September. And the dates of examination 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd September. And the duration of examination is 3 hours. The timing of examination is first session 9:30 to 12:30 and the second session 12:30 to 5:30, 2:30 to 5:30. And the center, date and shift of examinations as per the indicated in the admit card. And the display of recorded responses as well as the result, all these things to be announced later. And you have to continuously keep on checking the official website of the National Testing Agency or else in the official website of the JNU. Okay, anything is fine. Okay, so these are all the details, and you have to apply through the online only. Okay, and while coming to the remaining details, here you can see in the JNU e-prospectus website of the JNU. Okay, we got this e-prospectus, guys. Fine. So this e-prospectus is having total 201 pages are there. So you may check down. Jawaharlal Nehru University e-prospectus 2021 to 22. So out of this 201 pages, so here I am going to show you few pages, guys, regarding what are the different PhD subjects are there and what is the eligibility, okay, and what is the selection criteria and what are the fellowship schemes. Okay, so these points I am going to show you, guys. And if you want the clear-cut details and the huge number of points, then I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So you may find out, guys. So it is Jawaharlal Nehru University e-prospectus academic session 2021 to 22. And here the indexes are there. I am directly taking you to the pages, guys. So while coming to the 5th page, in this one, here you will get the eligibility conditions for the PhD, guys. See. For candidates applying for the PhD program, subject to the conditions stipulated in these regulations, the following persons are eligible to seek admission into the PhD program. Candidates who have the master's degree or a professional degree declared equivalent to the master's degree by the corresponding statutory regulatory body with at least 55% of marks in aggregate or its equivalent grade B in the UGC 7-point scale or an equivalent degree from a foreign educational institution accredited by an assessment and accreditation agency which is approved, okay, recognized or authorized by an authority, and a relaxation of 5% is available to the candidates, that is 55 to 50% to the SC, ST, OBC non-creamy layer as well as the PWD candidates. Fine. So these are the eligibility criteria, guys. So if you are having post-graduation in the particular discipline, as well as 55% of marks to the general category and 50% of marks to the based upon the caste category. So these candidates are eligible for this one. Okay, it is a basic qualification, guys. Apart from this one, the candidates who are having the UGC NET assistant professor, UGC NET JRF, okay, those candidates also apply. Okay, there is no problem here. And coming to the selection procedure for admission, no Viva Voice examination is held for the admission to any program except for the PhD. That means for PhD, Viva Voice examination will be happened, guys. And the candidates for admission to the PhD have to appear for the computer-based test. And candidates qualifying with 50% marks for general category and 45% marks for candidates belong to SC, ST, OBC non-creamy layer and PWD category in the CBT shall be called for the Viva Voice examination. It is to be noted that candidates who scored 50% above for general category and 45% above in these categories in the computer-based test doesn't automatically qualify for being shortlisted for the Viva Voice. Okay. Candidates shall be called for the Viva Voice for admission to each program of study for PhD program as follows. Okay, and the number of students after examination to be invited for Viva Voice taken here. So intake 1 to 5, 5 times will be called, 6 to 10, 4 times will be called, and 11 above 3 times will be called. Fine. And the syllabus for the entrance test for admission to the PhD program shall consist of 50% of research methodology and 50% of the subject whatever you belongs to. And whoever the JRF candidates are there, those candidates are exempted from the CBT, but they are required to apply separately under JRF category. Such candidates shall be shortlisted and they are directly called for the Viva Voice. And coming to the GATE qualified candidates for admission in the School of Engineering, also exempted from the CBT test. Fine. So these are all the exemptions, guys. And admission to the JRF holds to PhD program. So only those candidates who fulfill the minimum eligibility criteria. Okay, that means qualified for the JRF, CSIR, UGC, NET, ICMR, ICAR, Ayush and DVT are eligible to apply under this category, guys. And please note that students who have awarded a lecturership only without JRF in the CSIR or UGC examination are not eligible and will not be interviewed under this category. Okay, that means even though if you are qualified for the UGC NET lecturership, you have to apply only under the PG qualification basis. You should not apply under the JRF qualification basis. Okay. So here the exemption is provided only for the JRF candidates from the written test, not for the assistant professor only. And admission for GATE as well as the foreign nationals are given. So it is the eligibility as well as the selection criteria, guys, I shown to you. And coming to the next page, that is fellowships guys. Fellowships mentioned in the page number 98. So here you may check down. Yeah, fellowship scholarships are the awards. The details of fellowship scholarships like UGC, CSIR, JRF or UGC scholarships and fellowships and Ayush fellowship and state government fellowships etc. operated by the external agency and other departments can be referred to by the interested candidates by accessing the website of the concerned departments. That means whatever the individual departments are there, just like biotechnology, electronics and electrical, so you have to go to that individual department and you have to check out, okay, are there any fellowship schemes are provided under the state government or else under some external agencies. Okay, all these things you have to check out with the individual departments guys. So this one is applicable for the only PG candidates as well as the UGC and assistant professor candidates. You have to do this one to get the different fellowship schemes. Okay, and applications for internal fellowships, that means institutional fellowships or the scholarships or awards, will be invited from the registered and eligible candidates as per the terms and conditions of the fellowships and subject to the availability of the funds through a separate curricular or else the notice. Fine. So from this one we can understand that for only PG candidates who selected for the full-time PhD, you will be having some fellowship schemes guys. So you have to properly select and then apply for those fellowship schemes. Okay, and then next, while coming to the intake, that means how many number of PhD seats are there from how many departments, that is page number 117. So intake for the year 2021 to 22, you may check down the School of International Studies. See guys, here the title is PhD through JNUEE, nothing but Jawaharlal Nehru University entrance examination. That means these seats are only for the only PG candidates as well as the UGC and assistant professor candidates. Okay, so for these candidates total 668 vacant seats are there from the different departments guys. Okay, that you may check down carefully here, and the next table is also provided. Okay, while coming to the next table is only for the UGC NET JRF. That means they separated the seats for the only PG candidates and the NET JRF candidates. Okay, so under the NET JRF total 318 vacant seats are there. So combining the JNUEE as well as NET JRF, that is 668 plus 318, total 946 vacant seats are there from nearly 100 plus subjects are there guys. Okay. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the national eligibility test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free guys, that anybody can able to access this one. and just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes, okay. But before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.